The Fairlie Little Wonder is an articulated locomotive built in 1869 by Charles Fox, with a design inspired by William Fairlie's 1846 patent for articulated locomotives. Developed during the Industrial Revolution, its origin and development timeline reflect the rapid advancements in railway technology during that period. Notable innovations of the Fairlie Little Wonder include its articulated design, which allowed for more efficient use of space on narrow-gauge railways, and its innovative valve gear system, which improved braking performance. The locomotive played a significant role in the expansion of the East Lancashire Railway and was used on various routes including the Bury to Preston line. Its cultural impact included becoming an iconic symbol of Lancashire's industrial heritage, while its economic significance contributed to the growth and development of the region's railway network.